Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Veosma Portable Monitor, 15.6-inch, 1080p, FHD Gaming Monitor, External Monitor, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because unmatched portability. The ultra-slim profile of just 0.3 inches and a mere 1.7 pounds make this portable monitor a true travel companion. Slip this second screen for laptop into your bag and you won't even notice the extra weight, and the included protective case will protect the travel monitor for laptop from the average scratches and pressures you could expect to occur when you store it with textbooks, pens, and the like. Stunning visuals and ultra-responsive. The 15.6-inch FHD, 1080p, IPS gaming monitor screen is a visual feast, delivering breathtaking clarity and vibrant colors with a wide 178 degrees viewing angle. The inclusion of HDR technology not only enhances the gaming experience but also ensures that multimedia content pops with life. It's smooth and super responsive, which is especially crucial for those intense gaming sessions or critical business presentations. Plug and play convenience. There's no need for any additional drivers or complicated setup procedures. Simply connect the portable laptop monitor to your device, and you're ready to go. The basic functions are very accessible. Volume and brightness adjustment don't need you to go into the menu. More importantly, the monitor remembers your brightness and volume settings after being unplugged, allowing you to focus on work or gaming without any hassle. Enhanced audio. What really sets this portable monitor apart is its built-in speakers. The audio is clear and robust enough to make you forget you're not in a surround sound cinema. Unlike other portable monitors in the market that can only deliver tiny sound, ours can set to a very high level, which saves you the trouble to connect to the external speakers. Versatile connectivity. The laptop monitor comes with any cord you would possibly need: HDMI to mini HDMI, USB C to USB C, and USB to USB C. The fact that it can use USB C or HDMI makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, PCs, phones, and gaming consoles like Xbox, PS5/PS4, and Nintendo Switch. Whether you're a professional, a gamer, or someone who appreciates high-quality visuals, this external monitor for laptop will undoubtedly exceed your expectations. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.